Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a quick and easy way to upload files to Dropbox right from your Android device. Whether you want to back up photos, share documents, or just keep your files organized in the cloud, this updated method makes it simple and stress-free. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your Android device. If you don't have it installed yet, just head to the Google Play Store, download it, and sign in or create an account. Once you're in the app, look for the plus sign, that's the plus button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a menu of options. Next, tap on Upload Files. This choice lets you pick exactly what you want to send to your Dropbox. Your phone's file browser will open, giving you access to all the folders and files stored locally on your device. Scroll through and select the files you want to upload. These can be photos, videos, PDFs, or any other type of file supported by Dropbox. You can usually select more than one file at a time, which makes batch uploading quick and easy. After you've selected the files, tap Upload to start the process. Dropbox will upload your files to your cloud storage account. Depending on the size and number of files, this might take a few moments, so just hang tight. You can watch the progress right on your screen. When it's finished, your files will be safely stored and accessible from any device where you log into Dropbox. And that's all there is to it. Uploading files to Dropbox from your Android device is straightforward with these simple steps. Keeping your important files backed up online has never been easier, giving you peace of mind and convenience wherever you go. Give it a try next time you want to move files quickly to the cloud. Thanks for tuning in.